Hello guys, welcome to my first video. Today we're going to be opening up the all-player prime pack, as well as a live ultimate player pack and a few others. So let's get started with the silver pack. You may notice I don't have that many packs because I am upgrading my team. We're just going to use him as special upgrade. Jay Paula. Nothing there. We're going to save the team selective. We're going to open up intermediate vintage pack, trying to get a gold player. Oh, so that's pretty good also. Outfield live ultimate player pack. Like Diamond, Tatis maybe, Otani. Yes, Diamond. Let's look at its stats. Doesn't look very good. Looks like it's reliever though. TJ McFarland. Oh, the skills are okay. Let's see what we can do with him. Now time for the prime player pack. Let's go. Open for a Dodgers player. Giant. Pablo Sandoval. I don't know if that's going to be any use to me. But, let's take a look at it a little bit more. I'll look it up. And I just would want to preview my team. And this is my first video. So we've got Tommy Lassell here. Not the best field, it's not a team card. We have Will Smith. Normally does pretty good. It's hard to get his card to upgrade because he only has like 2 years. But he's got Running Charisma and Spotlight, which normally does pretty good. So you got Eric Hosmer, and we've had him for a very long time. I know his trading isn't very good and stuff. That's because he's not a team card, and he also has not very good skills because he's not a team card. Now we have our live Mookie Betts, which we got from the All-Star Player event. He's got Prediction Charisma, which does surprisingly good. He normally gets tons of home runs. Now we have AJ Pollock. We just recently upgraded him to level 20. Now we're trying to special train him. He's got Spotlight, Prediction, Charisma. We're trying to finish getting skills on him. Then we got Gene Segura, another non-team card. Alex Verdugo. And Todd Frazier. Not gonna bore you with my bench. Here are my pitchers. Clayton Kershaw, we got finesse trained. Still trying to special train him up so he does better. We got finesse 6 and we're trying to get him up. And we also got Zach Greinke. He's got finesse also. We're still trying to skill that up. We got John Means, non-team card, but came with a pretty good set. We have LeBlanc. We've had him for a very long time also. He doesn't have very good skills, but he's okay. We have Ryan Yarbrough, who actually has a very good dominant pitcher bonus. So he does alright, but he's not a team card also. We have Alexander, his team card. Skills are okay, but might try to make them better in the future. We've got Rogers, who's not a team card. So we got Floro. I don't know if I'm saying that right. He has pretty good skills. Still trying to upgrade him up though. We got Ode. He's not a team card. As you can see, we don't really care about his skills. We got Phelps, who has good skills. I think we got that from JG Skill Sword, so basically for free. And then we have Nurse, who's not that high overall, but his skill set does pretty good in the closing role. Eventually, we're going to want to put JJ Putz into our bullpen once he gets skills, and Jake Arrieta into our starting rotation once he gets skills. Alright, that's going to be it, the end of this video. Thanks for watching. So like and subscribe.